Hey guys, I'm here with the 2023 Lexus RX. This is the full fat 500h F Sport Performance. Let's do a quick walk around. Now I can't give you driving impressions until September 9th, so stay tuned until then. I have so much Lexus RX coverage coming. It's redesigned from the ground up, just like any other RX for 2023. We have much more aggressive front bumper here with the mesh pattern grille extending to the side. Fog lights are standard here. We also have those triple beam LED headlights showcasing. And then we have the iconic mesh pattern spindle grille, but it has been tuned back, dialed in for this vehicle, and specific for the F Sport models, has this very unique front end. Also unique to the F Sport Performance though is this black trim, this kind of boomerang here at the bottom that starts around the fog light and comes around. The hood is also a little bit longer versus the last generation RX. You can see that A-pillar is swept back a little bit more. Definitely looks more aggressive from the side. And from the side, we have an F Sport badge, but this F Sport badge has a black background denoting F Sport Performance. And check out these wheels, 21-inch wheels. This matte finish is exclusive to the F Sport Performance. You also see a glossy version of these wheels on the F Sport handling package on the RX 350. I also forgot to mention we have much larger brakes up front on this F Sport Performance model. You can also get those larger brakes on the F Sport handling package as well. As we sweep around to the back, we have the blade tail light kind of signature into new Lexus models, starting with the IS and the UX, for example. Lexus typed out onto the liftgate instead of the Lexus badge. Here you see 500h and the first ever direct 4 badge. What does that mean? Well, we'll find out when we drive, but it is the first ever high performance all-wheel drive electrified system for Lexus. The RZ will have direct 4 as well. 12 volt here, and then you can fold down these rear seats. They're only fold down, they won't fold back up. That's more of a luxury feature option, I'm guessing. This is probably the largest F Sport badge I've ever seen before, and we have a first aid kit. And then also, since it is a hybrid, it looks like we have a 1500 watt power inverter here on this F Sport Performance model. So you can take this bad boy out camping if you want to, but I want to get under the hood here because that's what's really special about this vehicle. Well, actually also underneath the cargo area, there's something special as well. We're gonna lift this hood so I can show you what's going on here. Gone is the V6 in the Lexus RX. Now we have a 2.4 liter turbo. The turbo engine is not only in this 500h, but it's also in the new RX 350. V6 is gone, as like I said, but what does this do? Well, in this particular model, we have 275 horsepower or thereabouts coming from the turbocharged engine and 317 pound-feet of torque from the engine. But we also have an electric motor sandwiched between a 6-speed auto. That's a very different hybrid setup versus previous Toyota and Lexus hybrids with an eCVT. So we have a real 6-speed automatic gearbox in here that can be shifted with the paddle shifters. But what's unique for this model isn't just under the hood. It's also underneath the rear seat. We have a bipolar nickel metal hydride battery, brand new battery technology that Toyota has developed for this vehicle. Not sure if you can see it, but we have an E-axle under there, and we don't know the specifications of it, and I probably couldn't tell you anyways because it's probably under embargo, but there are publications from Japan and magazines saying that it is around 100 horsepower. Opening the door, we have a digital latch here. Oh, and also I forgot to mention we have on the 500h, not only blacked out roof rails here, but we also have dark chrome daylight openings. So that's unique to this model. The 350 F Sport handling does not have that. Suede material around the Mark Levinson speaker, all blacked out here on this particular model. You can also get red interior as well. Suede on the inside of them in these partitions. We're gonna sit on the inside of here. It's getting a little dusty inside the car and outside the car. Black F Sport badge denoting F Sport Performance. Oh, and we also have it right here at the bottom as well. So close that, door slam nice and tight. Glossy black over here. Large 14-inch touchscreen with the new Lexus interface. Gone is the touchpad in the RX. We have this aluminum trim that's exclusive to the F Sport model. And if I open this up, we have a wireless charger, USB-C, USB-A, 12 volt, and we also have 2 more USBs here. And the fans are blasting me right now, so I'm gonna push them over there. You can change the climate control with these large dials, just keep it on auto. We also have heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, all easy to adjust, fully leather steering wheel here on this F Sport model, mind you, and customizable buttons that integrate with the head-up display on each side. It's the same sort of setup we saw in the Lexus NX for the first time. So nothing new there, but it is new for the RX. We also have a 7-inch MID behind the steering wheel, and this is customizable through the head-up display and the buttons on the steering wheel. So I can scroll through that way. Don't want to get too much lost into the technology of this vehicle. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around. We have the pano roof, more of that aluminum here on the dash to separate this matte black soft touch dash material. You also have the silver stitching that runs through the dash all the way to the door seamlessly. Adjustable cup holder here, just like the current RX. Here's what the key looks like. Nothing out of the ordinary for Lexus at this point. Open this up and we have a good amount of space on the inside there. Pretty basic shifter here. No F-Sport demarcation or stitching that I can see on it. This senses your eyes for traffic jam assist is an optional feature on the RX. I don't believe it's standard. As I get in here and we have a bag of chips. So I'm not the first person to have this today. Here's that digital latch. You press this and open the door. The back door is just as ornate as the front door, I would say, and a good amount of that suede in the back seat to complement this leather. Yes, this is real leather. I forgot to mention that. It is not synthetic leather. So you get leather on most of the grades except the base grade, and I think premium. I think premium plus gets you leather. Luxury gets you semi-aniline leather. F-Sport models get you leather as well. So just showing you the armrest there. We have 2 USB ports and a climate control for the rear seat. If I sit in here, we have a soft back to this F-Sport seat, tons of leg room, no problem there. Big panel roof. As I get out, you see a fan here, a little vent here. That's because that battery pack sits underneath that rear seat there. But like I said, stay tuned for my driving impressions September 9th on the all-new Lexus RX. I can't wait to share with you not only how this F-Sport performance drives, but also the 350h, the 350, how the 350 compares to the gas model, or should I say the V6 gas model that we had in the past. And also I got a chance to drive the plug-in hybrid, which is not, I don't believe is going to be available at launch for Lexus, but I'm going to end it there. Ooh, there's a copper crest driving. It's just a beautiful color. That is, I'm not supposed to say stuff like that because I'm under embargo. I'm not supposed to say like beautiful or nice or I like that. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for so much more Lexus coverage. Peace out.